Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, Visual Studio and the correct NET SDK are installed and your MVC project is open. Once done, inspect the views/shared folder because templates live there. This prevents misplaced files. Next, choose the template type, layout, partial, or view, because that determines file structure and razor directives. Begin creating the file immediately so you can wire it into layout, CSHTML, or a controller, making the process concrete and forward-moving. Now create the template file itself. Add a new CSHTML in views/shared and name it with a leading underscore for partials or a descriptive name for layouts. Make sure you include necessary razor directives like at model when binding data, and insert at render body or at render section for layouts so child views can inject content. For partial templates, structure markup for reuse and call them via at HTML. Partial or await HTML. Partial async to improve responsiveness and keep Finally, wire the template into your app. Set layout in view start or individual views and call partials where needed. Then run the app and navigate to pages that should use the template to verify HTML, scripts, and styles load correctly. If something breaks, make sure paths and file names match exactly, inspect razor syntax and model declarations, and restart the application to clear compiled view cache. This single restart often resolves stale build or view compilation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.